Hello, in this short video we are going to investigate the following C-level problem. This is a problem on topic of differentiation rules, and I want to teach you a method of differentiation which is called logarithmic differentiation. This problem is both suitable for Math 3C and Math 4 students. Okay, let us read the question now. If x is greater than 0 and y is the nth root of x, then ny prime over y is equal to... Pause the video at this point and give it a try to see which one of the given options is the solution to this problem. Okay, so let me solve the problem first in a way that is suitable for Math 3C students, okay? So if I want to calculate this expression, I need to know y prime. In order to find y prime, I have to prepare this for differentiation. So what I will do first, I would say that y is equal to the nth root of x, nth root of x, but this can be written in the form of y equals to x to power 1 over n. So now I start differentiation, so y prime is equal to 1 over n goes down, and x to the power of 1 unit less, so it means it is 1 over n minus 1. So that is the derivative. Now the question mark in the problem is equal to ny prime, so I have to multiply n by y prime. But y prime, we just got it. It is 1 over n, x to the power of 1 over n minus 1. And then we divide everything by y. Yes? But y itself is this expression. So I would write it as y, x to the power 1 over n. Now let us see what happens. This n will cancel that n. Then I will have two exponents, two powers, yes, here and there. The bases are both equal, so when I want to divide them, what I'm allowed to do is to write x, the base, and subtract the exponent on top, which is 1 over n minus 1, minus the exponent on the bottom, which is 1 over n. Now what happens, this minus 1 over n and this positive 1 over n are cancelled, and I will get x to the power of minus 1. But x to the power of minus 1 can be simply written as 1 over x. So the answer to the question mark is simply 1 over x. Okay, so you see that this problem is easily solvable if you don't play any trick on it. But for Math 4 students, I will also want to teach you some method which is called logarithmic differentiation. Okay, so what I will do, I want to use this formula that we have for the derivative of ln of u. So we learned in the lesson that if u is positive, then derivative is a positive and a function of x, the derivative of ln of u becomes u prime over u. So that's u prime over u. The derivative of a function divided by the function itself is a famous combination when it comes to differentiation rules. It is good to remember them. So, and then you see that what I have here in the question mark is a function y whose derivative is divided by y itself. That is exactly this combination that we are interested in. Okay, so what I will do, I will start from here. So I would say that y is equal to x to power n, to power 1 over n, but instead of differentiation first, I take ln from both sides. So the left hand side becomes ln of y, the right hand side becomes ln of x to the power of 1 over n. But we have the properties of ln that allows me to move this exponent to the back of the log, of course on the condition that x is positive, but in the problem it is guaranteed that x is positive, so I do not have any problems with that part. So I would say that ln of y is equal to 1 over n, which is a constant, multiplied by ln of x. So now I start differentiation. The ln of y derivative becomes 1 over n ln of x derivative. But as I just told you, using this pink formula here, the derivative of ln of y is simply y prime over y. And on the right hand side, 1 over n is a multiplicative constant, so I pull it out and I differentiate ln of x. But we know that the derivative of ln of x is just simply 1 over x. Okay? But now my question mark is ny prime divided by n. I have only y prime over n, so it motivates me to multiply both sides by n. When I multiply the left side by n, it becomes exactly my question mark. And when I multiply the right hand side by n, the n that I multiply will cancel this n here, and what is left for me is 1 over x. So that means the question mark is equal to 1 over x as well. Okay, so here I solved the problem in 2 ways. You see that both method works. Even the first method is actually quite simple, but I use this as an excuse to teach you this very important trick in differentiation, which is called logarithmic differentiation, yes. So if we go back, we see that this solution is indeed the correct one. I hope that this video was useful for you. Until the next video, be safe and goodbye. Thank you.